Guys, welcome to our channel Rose Art and Creation. In today's video, we draw step-by-step drawing tutorial of beautiful ballet dancing girl by using Mandala Art. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also. Before we start, we need to introduce the equipment which we use to required in today's Mandala Art. Ruler, protractor, compass, eraser, pointer pen, pointer brush, mechanical pencil, some pencil color, sharpener, highlighter and A4 size sheet. Let's start. Draw the margin line with the leaving gap 0.4 mm. With the help of ruler, we draw the 18 cm line in the center of the page. Mark the point at 3.5 cm. On the second point, we can draw the 10 cm line. Now, with the help of pencil, we draw two neck point. Now, we draw the curve without touching this point. With the help of 0.3 mm fine line marker, we draw the pattern of flower here. From here we draw arm and second arm we draw from here. We can fill the head area. After that, with the help of compass, we draw mandala from that part. We draw the random semicircle. After draw the semicircle, we erase the extra part with the help of eraser. The two portion we mark with the broad marker. After that, we draw the mandala pattern in this. Now, in next pattern, we draw curving leaves. Now we can fill the blank area with pointer pen. In this pattern, I can draw dots with standing line. In the next step, I draw Now we draw curves with dot. Now with the help of pointer pen, I can fill this area with line and dot. Now with the help of pencil color, I can fill this mandala portion. Now we draw dots in this section. Now with the help of 0.1 mm fine line marker, we just draw the lines. With the help of pencil color, I can fill this area. I can also fill this color in this area. Now help of the tissue paper, we can merge this all color. After that, we draw the dots in this area with the help of 0.8 mm marker. After pointing the dots, we place big dots in it. Now with the golden color pen, I just draw circle over here. Now our mandala pattern is done. Now we give the 3D look. For that I draw Now white dot gives the 3D look to our mandala pattern. As you see, our mandala pattern is done. If you like my video, share it with your friend and family. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also so you never miss any update on my channel. Thank you.